Welcome back to the Mastering Algorithms and Data Structures in PHP series. In this lesson, we'll dive into two fundamental data structures, stacks and queues. These are essential for many real-world applications, and understanding how they work will help you write more efficient code. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to build both stacks and queues in PHP from scratch. Let's start with stacks. A stack is a data structure that follows the last in, first out principle. This means that the last item added to the stack is the first one to be removed, just like a stack of plates. You can push an item onto the stack and you can pop the most recent item off the stack. In this example, we created a simple stack class with methods to push, pop, peek, and check if the stack is empty. The most recent item we added, cherry, was the first one to be removed when we called the pop function. Next, we have queues. A queue follows the first in, first out principle. This means that the first item added to the queue is the first one to be removed, just like a line at a checkout. You enqueue items at the back and dequeue items from the front. In this example, we created a queue class with methods to enqueue, dequeue, peek, and check if the queue is empty. The first item we added, apple, was the first one removed when we called the dequeue. Both stacks and queues are widely used in programming. Stacks are great for situations where you need to reverse operations, like with undo features in software. Queues, on the other hand, are perfect for managing tasks in the order they arrive, like in a printer queue or job scheduling system. Here's a quick comparison of stacks and queues. Choosing between a stack and a queue depends on whether you need to process items in the reverse order or in the order they arrive. To summarize, stacks and queues are essential data structures in many applications. Stacks follow a last in, first out, LIFO approach, while queues use a first in, first out, FIFO system. Each has its own strengths and is best suited for different types of tasks. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we'll dive into more complex data structures and algorithms. Don't forget to check out the code for this lesson on GitHub, and I'll see you in the next video.